And today we're going to be checking out something super cool, super convenient, and super fun. That's right, it's a camper for your bicycle. How cool is that? If you're into mountain biking and trail riding and you like to make a full weekend of it, well, you can attach this to your bike and actually take it with you down trail, set up camp, and do all the biking you want and have your little home with you. Let's take a tour of our little home. Okay, so you can see I have it all set up, and I actually have the heavy-duty rain cover on, so if you weren't going to be in it all day, or if it was bad weather or cold weather, you have the extra cover to keep it extra waterproof and extra warm. And this just basically just simply slips on like this, and you can just take it right off. How cool is that? And here's the actual little camper itself. You can see it has some all-terrain tires on it, and basically it's built like a cot. You actually have padding. It's like a rubber pad on the inside, and it feels like a cot when you lay in it, so you get the cot and the tent all in one attached to your bicycle. But it has all the amenities that you would expect from a normal tent. You have toggles on it, so to toggle your doors up. You have the mesh door that you can pull down. Just like this. And you can zip up your doors. You can zip up your screen. If it's too hot in there, there's actually windows as well. And you can use the little toggle right there to hold your window open to get a little more ventilation in there. But not only do you have the side door, you also have doors and screens on both ends as well, and both sides. So you can get in on either side, in the front or the back. So that's really convenient to have all those door options, because then you can pretty much set it up anywhere and are guaranteed access to your camper. Now you can see the tires on this side. Everything's basically held together with these quick release pins. You could just take these out and take the wheels off and store it in your garage, and all folded up. It's not much bigger than a standard lawn chair. And then this is how it attaches to your bike. You have the safety strap, and you have the little spring right here. That way the trailer's nice and flexible, and you can make your turns and curves no problems whatsoever. But I think what we need to do next is let's go ahead and get inside of it and see how comfortable it is. All right, so now for the moment of truth. I weigh 200 pounds. I'm 6'1" tall, so I'm going to see how well I fit in this bike camper. Take your shoes off. And now is your inside tour of this nice little camper. It's extremely comfortable, way more comfortable than what I thought it was going to be. You can see, we can see out of the windows, you can see that my feet are up against the back of the tent, but I still have this much room. And I'm 6'1", so even if you were 6'3", 6'4", you could sleep in this tent. It's going to be plenty big enough. And if you're small enough, you might even be able to fit 2 people in here. But you also have your hook up here for your light. And yeah, it's just actually very comfortable and very, very cozy. So you get everything you need. You get all the regular stakes for strapping the tent down. You get the tent ropes. You also get these U-shaped stakes for staking the tent down like this. And what I do is, whenever I pack everything up, I just throw it inside the tent and then fold it up, and it's good to go. All right, and this is what it looks like all folded up for travel. It does have a strap that straps onto this bar to keep everything nice and secure while you're riding. And another pro to this is that you can fully stack this up with your packs and your bags, and it can handle the additional weight. So you can bring all your camping supplies on this little trailer as well. How cool is that? So overall, it's a very nice little camper. It hooks directly to your bicycle, and you can take it down trails, you can take it down roads. When you're riding it, you don't even feel it back there. It doesn't limit your turning whatsoever. And if you're into the outdoors and camping and mountain biking and things like that, and you're up for an adventure, or if you're just an urban camper, this is a great way to get a good night's sleep from your bicycle. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.